Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to set ringtone for contact in a Google Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL, any other Pixel device running the latest Android 16 version. You can set the individual ringtone for contact on your Pixel devices. First of all, open the phone app or contact app on your device. Tap on the three horizontal line at the top left corner. Here you can see the contacts. Tap on it. Now here select any contact you want to set a ringtone for specific contact. So here we select this contact. Now tap on the pencil icon at the top right corner or scroll down. Scroll down here you can see the contact setting, contact ringtone. Tap on it. Now here you can see the set the default ringtone. Here you can see the list of different categories on your Pixel device like Pixel sound, sound matters, natural element. So you can see the list of different sound collection. To set the custom ringtone or downloaded song or any MP3 tone on your device, tap on the My Sounds. In My Sound, tap on the plus icon at the bottom right corner to set or choose the ringtone from your phone. Tap on plus icon. Now select the ringtone from your Google Drive or your downloaded folder on your device. Or you can tap on this. Here you can find any audio file or download file on your device. So just or your picture device. So just select the song or download a audio file on your device like music. So after that, just tap on it. When you tap on it, it will automatically add to your My Sound list on your Pixel 10 series. So select the ringtone you want to set on your device and tap on a save at the top right corner to save or set a custom ringtone for specific contact or individual contact on your Google Pixel 10 series. That's it. If you like it, share it or hype it if you like this feature. Thank you for watching this.